Welcome students. In today's video, we will learn about media management. First, we will understand what do we mean by media. Media is the plural form of the term medium, which means the communication channel that we're using for dissemination of information. Information can be of various types. We can share information related to news, related to entertainment, related to some promotional purpose. All these kind of information when we are sharing through a channel refers to as your medium. There could be different example of media, like we can have print media, we can have broadcast media, under which print you can consider magazines, your newspapers, other various examples. In your broadcast, you can talk about television. Then in your internet, you can talk about your internet, or we can say the digital form of media that we have. Then talking about management. Management is another important term that we have, which conveys the process of organizing, or we can say efficiently managing the entire system so as to get an effective output. So when I'm associating these two terms together, it refers to an area which talks about administration, which talks about organization, which talks about planning, right? So when your media is media organization, they are planning, they are organizing, they are administrating the content, or they are working on various events, when they are organizing it together or when they are managing it collectively, that refers to as your media management. We can have various mass communication channels. We can make use of them. We can make use of various media technologies. We can talk about various entertainment productions that we're including in as a part of your management. Right? So these are the various examples of your media management. Then we will talk about the various functions of media management, right? So I'll just move to another one. So here, broadly, if you talk about your management is having, or any type of management, not only media management, if you talk about event management or any other type of management which is associated with your organization, we are having some very important functions. So the very first one is planning. When we talk about planning, we easily understand that planning refers to making of a plan, or you are organizing, you are trying to achieve your objectives on the basis of a plan that you have thought of. So if you are having a good planning, it will also help you in taking good decisions for your organization. Second important thing is related to your organizing, which is another important function of management. That involves, we can say, developing of your organizational structure or allocating human resources to ensure accomplishment of the desired objectives. So when the aims and goals of your particular organization, when you want to achieve them, for that you are developing a particular structure for it, you're organizing, you are allotting the particular human resources for that, refers to as your organizing. Third function related to management talks about staffing. Now, staffing term simply refers to you can talk about recruiting of people, or when we are recruiting or selecting various employees for our organization, is what refers to as your staffing, which again is a part of your management. It helps you in development of individuals into capable employees, right? Then another important function that we have here is leading or directing. Now, when we talk about leading, it simply helps us to understand the purpose of direction in management, right? So the process in which the managers, they are instructing you, they are guiding, they are overseeing the performance of the various employees or workers so that they can achieve a particular goal, refers to as our directing, or refers to as one of the functions of management, that is leading or directing. Then comes another function of your management which talks about monitoring or controlling. So when we talk about controlling, it is associated with monitoring in organization, or while managing your media organization or any of the event, right? How we are monitoring, we are keeping an eye on it so that we are able to get the desired output that we want to have. The last we can say point that is associated with our management, or that tells you about the function of management, is motivation. Motivation is very crucial in any of the tasks that we execute. So it helps you in stimulating the people so that they can work, they can be brought into action, and that will further help you in accomplishment of the desired goals for your organization, right? So when we talk about monitoring, there you are trying to measure the actual performance, and according to which you will be taking some corrective measures for it, right? And for all these functions that we talked about, motivation is very important. Stimulation among the people so that they can be brought into action becomes very, very important. These were the functions of management. Another point, adding on to the term management, we can also say that management is responsible for the formation and implementation of policies and strategies in any of the business firm. So any organization, if they want to achieve their goals, if they want to fulfill the desired objectives, for that they need to manage the entire thing, entire organization, entire we can talk about the various events or various things that they are working upon. They need to manage them very we can say about very strategically. That is important, and management helps in that, okay, so that the various companies are able to achieve the desired goal. So further, what is the need of this organization? The very first need of organization, or we can say importance of having management in an organization, is to accomplish the desired goals or objectives that are set by the particular business firm or the organization, right? And second thing, if we talk about related to management, is that it helps us in facilitating the production of the output from a system. When people are working together, they are managing the content together, they are planning, they are sharing the content, they are organizing it together, they're monitoring what they are doing, right? And then on the basis of corrective measure taken, they are giving you the final output. Then we can say it is very important to have the desired or useful output for an organization. So therefore, we can say that management is needed in order to facilitate a coordinated effort toward the accomplishment of organization goal or objectives. So it is very important in any of the organization. I hope you have understood. Any queries, leave it in the comment below. Thank you. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.